I am the Tofu Golem. Please enjoy the video.
In this video, I will explain how to connect frames in Figma. First, open your Figma file and ensure you have at least 2 frames ready for connection. These frames will represent different screens or states in your user interface. We'll focus on creating a seamless flow, allowing users to move from one part of your design to another with ease. This process is fundamental for building interactive prototypes. To begin, select the frame or specific element you wish to make interactive. Next, navigate to the Prototype tab located in the right-hand panel of your Figma interface. You will see a small blue circle appear when you hover over the selected element. Click and drag this blue circle, which is your connection handle, directly to the frame you want it to link to. Once connected, a new interaction panel will appear. Here, you can define the trigger for your interaction, such as on-click or on-drag. Then choose the action, typically navigate to, and select your destination frame. You can also pick an animation style like Instant for a quick transition or Smart Animate for a smoother effect, and adjust its duration. After setting up your connections, it's time to test your prototype. Click the Present button, usually found in the top right corner, to open your design in presentation mode. Interact with your frames as a user would, clicking on elements to ensure all connections work as intended. If anything feels off, simply return to the design canvas and refine your interaction settings for a more polished user experience.
Thanks for watching. Consider subscribing if we helped you today.